Hi there, Paul Tusta from Absolute Accuracy Tiling app. How are you today? This message is directed at tile setters. I know you've got all the tools to do the job. You know, you got your grout float, you got your sponges, you got your wash buckets, wet saws, yada yada yada. You got everything. But do you have all the tools to get the jobs? I'm here to promote Absolute Accuracy Tiling app. Just imagine for a minute that you can go into a job to do your bid, measure it off, and show the customer exactly what you plan on doing. Right down to the final cuts, tile image, sizing, placement, everything this app has. It answers all the questions, and you're going to look a lot more professional, and you're going to get those jobs. I guarantee it. So look me up on absoluteaccuracytilingapp.weebly.com and check out my website. If you got any questions, send me an email. It's on the website. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.